98 cents. Several funds are exposure to BTE Hong Kong shares, including Land Fund and Harvest Fund, cut valuations to about 20% below the last trading price of 25 Hong Kong dollars 6 cents or $3 US 26 cents.
And those were our business news stories this afternoon. Next, we have today's special report, followed by Thailand in Perspective.
This is Radio Thailand News. Special report.
Welcome back to the Midday News Hour. Today's rather special report has Minister attached to the Prime Minister's office, Dr. Gopsak Udorn, discussing the country's interest to participate in the Trans-Pacific Partnership, or TPP, and Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, or RCEP, trade pacts.
Several countries in the Asia-Pacific region take up efforts to pursue multilateral free trade agreements, or FTA, such as the Trans-Pacific Partnership, or TPP-11, and the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, or RCEP, in response to the rising protectionism of the United States. Thailand must consider whether it would benefit from joining either the TPP or RCEP or both. The TPP entering its last month before it is signed among 11